Imperativos, sea, sepa, and vaya, TENGA, venga, and ponga. This lesson is going to see a bunch of really crazy verbs all in the imperative. Even though you might think to yourself you don't need to know them, you most definitely need to know these verbs. They're very, very common and very, very irregular. So get to know them and let's just have fun with it because there's no real pattern to how they form, but there's still a pattern of the imperative. So you'll see that as we go through. So let's just get started. TENGA, venga, and ponga. The infinitive of these verbs are tener, venir, poner, salir, hacer, and decir. In the yo form in the present tense, I have will be tengo, I come, yo vengo, I put, pongo, I leave, salgo, I do, hago, I say, digo. This GO form forms the basis of the imperative for these verbs. But also pay attention to what comes before the GO, because this will play a role in the imperative as well. Notice ten, ven, pon, sal. In this case, it'll be as, and di. Both of these are going to be part of the formation, both ten and tengo, ven and vengo, pon pongo, sal salgo, as hago, and di digo. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Let's begin with tener as our first example. Tened, have. Ten, tenga, tengan, and tengamos. Let's have a party. Tengamos una fiesta. No tengas, don't have a test on Friday. No tengas un examen el viernes. No tenga, let's not have a test and say we did. No tengamos, no tengáis, and no tengan. You can see here where both ten and tengo have a role in the formation of the imperative of these verbs. The next one, venir, come here. Venid, ven, venga, vengan, and vengamos. No vengas, no venga, no vengamos, no vengáis, and no vengan. I want to pause for a moment here. In the southern cone down in Paraguay, Argentina, Chile, Uruguay, often the way that you would say come here to somebody, even though it's just one person, and you know them very well, you would say venid. I don't know why. Venid is normally only used in Spain when you're speaking to a large number of people. So why is it used in southern South America to speak to just one person? I'm not exactly sure. Sometimes venid is shown as a sign of respect, and it's just a playful way to say, come here, venid. Also in Mexico, for example, you would say ven or ven aquí is normally how you would say come over here, or ven acá. If you want to say come over here, you would say ven para acá. But it's very Mexicano to just say ven pa acá. Even Cubano to say ven pa acá. Come on over here, ven pa acá. So this command is used a lot, come over here, when you're talking to a person, and there are different ways to playfully say that. It's quite interesting, actually. Poner. I think you could probably guess this one. Let's go ahead and run through it. Poned, pon, put the book on the table. Pon el libro en la mesa. Ponga, if you're talking to the teacher, you would say, hey, maestro, ponga el libro en la mesa. Ponga. Pongan, let's put the book on the table. Pongamos el libro en la mesa. Pongamos. Don't put it over there. No pongas el libro en la mesa. No ponga. No pongamos, no pongáis, and no pongan. Notice pon and pongo both play a role in the formation of this verb. Sal, leave, get out of here. Salid, sal, sal de aquí. Get out of here. Sal de aquí. or vete de aquí. Salga, salgan. Hey, let's leave. Salgamos. Don't leave. No salgas. No salga. No salgamos. No salgáis. And no salgan. Salga. Hacer, to do. Do your homework. Haced la tarea. Haz la tarea. Do your homework. Haz la tarea. Hazla. Haga la tarea. Hagan. Hagamos la tarea. Hey, let's do our homework. Hagamos nuestra tarea. No hagas. No haga. No hagamos. No hagáis. And no hagan. Do. Haz. Haga. Decir. Decid. Di. Tell me. Dime. Dígame. Talk to me. This is often a way that you'll answer the phone, by the way. Dime. Dígame. Talk to me. Digan. And digamos. Don't tell me that. No me digas. You don't say, no me digas. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that. No me digas. No diga. No digamos. No digáis. And no digan. Diga. This is the last of that first category of verbs in this lesson. Now let's look at the second category.